Generating passive income with crypto in 2025 is more accessible than ever, and I'm excited to share some top methods that can help you build your wealth. Let's dive right in. First up is staking. This method remains the most popular way to earn passive income. In 2025, staking has become incredibly user-friendly. You can stake Ethereum on platforms like Lido or Rocket Pool, where you can earn returns ranging from 4% to 10%. If you're into Solana, Kraken allows you to stake Sol directly, offering competitive rates. For those interested in Cosmos, the Kepler wallet is a fantastic option for staking Atom, Osmo, or Juno, with returns that can reach up to 18%. Just remember to do your homework on the validators and confirm the annual percentage yields before locking in your funds. Next, let's talk about airdrops. Airdrops are essentially free tokens given away by projects to promote their platforms. In 2025, staying active on Layer 0 chains is key. Use bridges like Stargate to interact with different networks, and don't miss out on platforms like ZK Sync or Scroll. Participating in quests on Galaxy or using OKX Jumpstart can also qualify you for these airdrops. Many users saw earnings between $500 and $5,000 from airdrops in 2024, and the opportunities are just beginning to unfold this year. Now, let's explore CeFi lending. Although centralized finance took a hit a couple of years ago, platforms like CoinRabbit and Nexo have bounced back with improved transparency and risk management. By lending stablecoins like USDT or USDC, you can earn between 5% and 9% APR, all while maintaining the flexibility to withdraw your funds when needed. Just remember, it's crucial to conduct your own research and avoid keeping large sums in one place. Finally, we have reward apps. Platforms like Hi.com, Honeygain, and Walkin allow you to earn crypto for simple tasks. You can make money by sharing your bandwidth, walking daily steps, or completing surveys and quests. While these methods might not make you rich overnight, they are easy, passive ways to accumulate crypto that can complement your other income strategies. In summary, the landscape for passive income in crypto is thriving in 2025. By staking, claiming airdrops, exploring low-risk lending, and utilizing reward apps, you can build a diverse income stream. The key is to start early and stay consistent.